Welcome dear learners in this platform that is the selfless service. If you are here for the learning, then you are on the right place, and you will get the learning from here, and you can improve your analytical power and as well as your logical thinking and the practical intelligence. This is the platform where you need to know about the topics, various topics, and also the deep analysis of these all the topics whatever has been there. So for today we have the topic that is called the OTT platform. You would have heard this in many times and you would have also explained it, but you're not aware of that. So I will give you the basic understanding about that, then you can develop the basic understanding, and also then you will be capable enough to figure out it in any kind of news, in any kind of articles, whatever you will be reading, and any kind of opinions you will be reading from maybe any kind of newspaper, and you will be get to know about the platform, what is this. As per the full form of this OTT platform is on the top platforms. As per the name, as we have heard there, we can distinguish it that this is not the separate platform. This is the platform that is based on the another platforms. That means this platform has been created only for the crowd increasing and for increasing the mass product of the people and for the advertisement process. The people and the companies have started this only for this purpose. That was the main purpose about that. So what is the OTT, how it works, and what was the need on at that point of time. As per if you are going to the history of that, then I will make the quick recap of this, of the history and basic understanding about that. Okay. So if you are going to the history of that, then we are getting that there initially in the previous time there were the film industry, and the people those were having the rich and those were having the more and more talent and very talented people were only going there, and then they were being selected and they were in the film industry. But for them, those that doesn't have so much reach and so much influence, and they have the skill set, they have the talent, so they can also participate in these kind of industries only on the basis of the OTT platforms. And this platform is creating so much amount of crowd. So this was the basic motive about this. Now we'll look to the types of the OTT platforms. Here we have so many 3 to 4 types of this OTT platform. The first one is video OTT. What is the video OTT? This is very famous OTT, and in video OTT I will give you some example, like we have the Hotstar, Disney Hotstar, and the second is like Netflix. This is the kind of video OTT. And if you are going to the other kind of OTT, then we will get to know that is called the audio OTT. And audio OTT, it has the second preference after the video OTT. And what is this? They are in the audio OTT. This is the kind of musical streaming, and the people will get the stream, and people will get the library of the music and music artist, recorded music, and the people can be listen from here, and people can get the access of that as well. If you are going to the next, that is called the message OTT. In the message OTT, we have the some apps like, for example, WhatsApp, like Signal. These are playing the role for the message OTT. And if you are, the fourth one is the voice OTT. This is only for the voice call. This is provided by the WhatsApp. For example, this is only for the example. If you are going to the ahead, what is the purpose behind it? The companies and the so-called corporate sector has to go for has to improve the reach and has to improve the connections to get the consumers and to get the crowd of the consumers to advertise their product. So they are having this kind of way to do this, and this is also providing so much options to get any kind of data to here that has been there. So how can we get the data that has been there, and how can we consume? Initially in the past time, in before few years, we were having the data cable provider subscription, and then the data cable provider was responsible for providing us the connection as well as the programs, and we were only free, or we were only independent to choose some of the channels from the data cable TV provider has been given. But in this OTT platforms, we don't have to take any kind of TV setup. We have to only take the connections, and the data cable provider is only responsible for providing us the data and the connection and the internet and we are free to have any kind of data, any kind of information related to, and there are this is a wider sense of the knowledge spread, so that we are having here right now. If we have to go for the another kind of provider, then the OTT marketing. What is the OTT marketing? The question is this: the OTT marketing is of two kinds. These two kinds are, the first one is client side OTT and the second one is service side OTT. What is the client side OTT? If you are looking to that, then in the any kind of program, it may be movie, it may be any kind of program, or it may be any kind of TV serial. These TV serials are the licensed TV serial, and on these TV serials as well, the advertisement has been done, and the money for that advertisement has been given to the creator. And as well as this, if we are getting the advertisement in between, and maybe before starting any kind of movie or programming, then if we are not able to escape it, we have to see the whole advertisement which has been given there, maybe in between or maybe in the starting, and this is called the service side OTT. So these were the types of that, and that was the basic understanding about the OTT platform which I have given to you, and I think and I guess that you would have understood it very thoroughly. And if you want to learn, and if you want to make the basic understanding and more analytical approach towards this platform and towards this small topic, then you can comment on the comment box to be having the more analytical videos and upon this topic. And also please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to be get updated for the new and further videos, and also for the learning process. And if you want to learn regularly, and if you want to grow, if you want to develop your basic understanding about each and every topic, to understand it and to grow it, and to also to give your opinions and the solutions, then you are in the right platform. And that was something which I wanted to do. Thank you very much. Dhanwad. Namaskar.